What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BTCM for Bit Mining Limited. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update since we have covered it recently, and I just wanted to illustrate what happened on Friday, right? So clearly, a large increase in volume down below, and you'll notice that we see more of a doji indecision candle here as opposed to aggressive pullback downward through price, right? So this to me is bullish price acceptance. It's not like we rejected it flat and simple, right? So we had some back and forth. There was a move higher, there was a move lower, and then a retrace a little bit higher into the range, thus printing that daily doji, giving us once again price acceptance at these numbers as opposed to flat out rejection. So that's the main premise of today's video, and we are looking for upside continuation on a break or acceptance back above our 1332. Now, why is that the number to really watch? Well, it's the IPO open price. If we can get back above that, that would shift sentiment to more of the bull side, and we'd look for upside continuation. As we know, 1583 is the first target, and then after that, we have 1790, which is essentially the highs of this move in here, the all-time high in this name. After that, monitor for continuation higher with a trailing stop loss. That way, you're not giving back too much of your gains should you have been long from anywhere down in here, even if you're getting long on the breakout back up and over 1332. So how might this look from the intraday 30-minute perspective? Well, you can clearly see some of these areas are working here, but let's make this very simple, right? We're going to get rid of this and we're going to get rid of this here at 1256, and instead the only thing you really need to watch out for is this range in here. As long as we continue to consolidate in this area, fine, remain bullish, have that bullish outlook. If we start getting back up above 1332, watch for the breakout to come over this area in here. That's going to be right around, let's go ahead and call it here at 1417. That's the trigger for, in my opinion, the long trade, right? So if we can get above that, looking for the breakout to take us to 1583, and as we mentioned, those upside targets there, again, probably could use some sideways consolidation just based on the nature and time duration of this move here. It would be healthy to digest it sideways through time, and you have those levels to really pay attention to. Line in the sand is kind of here at $11.16. So those are my thoughts. The last thing I'll sort of leave you with here is that although this selling from a structural perspective looks very aggressive, right? If we look at what happened on the volume actually tapered off when the selling happened, and it picked back up. You can see this little hump here into the end of the day as this dead cat bounce happened again into the end of the day, quite simply. So that does strike me as more bullish than bearish. So the outlook here, bullish. Line in the sand, 1116, breakout up and over 1417. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.